Hey guys, today I want to show you my go-to lentil that I make from Trader Joe's, and I absolutely love it because it's fast. There's not too much effort, and let's get started. So what we have here is one of the Trader Joe's lentils. This you can find normally in the produce section. Then here are the lentils, of course. Some salt to taste. Trader Joe's coconut milk, organic. Trader Joe's vegetable broth. And here I have some sofrito. Really what's in here is just chopped onions, cilantro, garlic, peppers, onions. Did I say onion already? And vinegar. So I'm just going to saute this, put it into my pan. And here I'm gonna add a heaping tablespoon of sofrito to my oil so I can saute it a little bit. This is super easy, you guys. It doesn't get any easier than this. So there you go. We're gonna wait until it comes to a sizzle, and then we'll add the rest of our. Hey guys, you see the sizzle? That's what we're looking for right here. I'm gonna give it a couple of, maybe another minute or so. And then I'm going to start adding all my other ingredients. And literally, so I added my lentils, as you can see. All I'm going to do here now is dump my coconut milk. You see me do here. See how simple this is? Very simple. Then I'm going to add, and you don't have to, but I like to add a little bit of the vegetable broth, just because it gives it a little flavor. You're gonna add salt to taste, and all you're gonna do is let this kind of simmer for a little while until it thickens up. Add your salt, and we are done. I'm gonna break this up a little bit because you know, just break it up a little bit. Don't be afraid. Now for color, sometimes you can add a little bit of tomato paste if you like. So this achiote going in, not too much. I just want a little bit of color because I don't want it to be pale. You see that? That's all I'm doing. Now I'm gonna let it simmer and I'll bring you back in a minute. Check it out. See? This is what I'm talking about. This is so delicious, I can't even tell you. Give it a try if you haven't already. And like I said, if you don't have sofrito, don't be shy. Just chop up your onions, bell peppers, cilantro, garlic, and go to town. It's the same thing. A little bit of vinegar, and you'll have sofrito, the basic sofrito. So there you have it. There you have it, guys. Lentils all done. It is absolutely amazingly delicious. I could eat it just like that. I eat it over a bed of coconut rice, or I like to chop potatoes and carrots and things like that for more heartiness, and add some sausage for a more hearty meal. There you have it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, you know what to do.